Once upon a time, there lived a jolly girl named Farah. She had a dream of becoming a doctor and helping the poor. One morning, as the sun painted the sky with hues of orange and pink, Farah woke up with an excitement bubbling within her. It was the day of the Marathon of Dreams, an annual event in her town where participants ran to raise funds for various charitable causes. Farah had been eagerly preparing for this day for months. With her heart brimming with determination and hope, she laced up her running shoes and pinned her race number to her shirt. As she stepped outside, she felt a rush of adrenaline coursing through her veins. The streets were bustling with energy as participants gathered at the starting line. Farah took her place among them, her eyes fixed on the road ahead. The air was filled with anticipation and camaraderie as the countdown began. With the sound of the starting horn, the runners set off, their feet pounding against the pavement in rhythm. Farah felt a surge of exhilaration as she joined the throng, her dreams propelling her forward with each step. As she ran, Farah's mind wandered to the people she hoped to help as a doctor, the sick, the needy, the ones who couldn't afford medical care. She envisioned herself making a difference in their lives, bringing healing and hope wherever she went. The miles melted away beneath her feet as Farah pushed herself onwards, her determination unwavering. Along the route, spectators cheered her on, their encouragement fueling her resolve. Finally, after what seemed like both an eternity and the blink of an eye, Farah crossed the finish line. Exhausted but elated, she felt a sense of accomplishment wash over her. Though the marathon was over, Farah knew that her journey towards her dream was just beginning. With each step she took, Farah was one stride closer to making her dreams a reality. And as she looked towards the future, she knew that no obstacle could stand in the way of her determination to help others and make the world a better place, one stride at a time.